Hello friends, this is Niharika and welcome to our channel. Today we'll talk about something super important for every UPSC aspirant, essential tips and tricks to crack the UPSC Prelims. Look, this exam isn't easy, but it's not impossible either. With the right strategy and dedicated hard work, anyone can crack this exam. In this video, we'll discuss 5 crucial tips that will give your preparation a new direction and help you clear the prelims. So, let's get started without any delay. Friends, before starting UPSC preparation, it's very important to build a strong base, and there's no better option than NCERT books for this. NCERT books from 6th to 12th grade give you basic knowledge of every subject. Read these books carefully and highlight important points. NCERTs will clear your concepts and build a strong foundation for future preparation. Remember, UPSC never asks direct questions. It tests your understanding and analytical skills, and NCERTs will help you develop these skills. After completing NCERTs, the next step is to create a practical timetable. Look, every student has a different capacity and learning speed, so understand yourself and create a timetable that you can follow. Give equal importance to every subject and identify your weak areas, spending more time on them. Include short breaks and revision time in your timetable. Consistency is the key. Once the timetable is made, follow it religiously. You can achieve your goal only through discipline and hard work. Chapter 3. Friends, solving previous year's question papers is very important because they introduce you to the exam pattern and difficulty level. Solving these papers will help you understand how UPSC frames questions and which topics are more important. This will allow you to improve your preparation and identify your strengths and weaknesses. Chapter 4. Current affairs hold a lot of weight in the UPSC prelims, so it's very important to read newspapers daily and follow reliable news sources. Nowadays, many online platforms are available where you can prepare for current affairs. Staying updated on important events, government schemes, international relations, etc. is crucial. Chapter 5. Friends, revising is as important as studying. Revise whatever you study regularly. Revision sharpens your memory and makes it easier to retain information. You can use flashcards, mind maps, or any technique that helps you revise. Outro. So friends, these were some important tips that will help you prepare for UPSC prelims. Remember, this exam tests your patience, dedication, and hard work more than your knowledge. Believe in yourself, focus on your goal, and keep working hard. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. All the best for your preparation.